With regular use of your grind control, the machine may experience buildup from calcium and minerals containing your water. That's why it's essential to perform a descale to keep it up and running. We recommend descaling your machine once per month in soft water environments and more frequently for hard water environments. The descale process takes 30 to 40 minutes. If there is an excessive mineral buildup, the LCD will show DESC, prompting you to descale your machine. Let's walk you through the process now. First, we'll need to empty the water tank. To do so, press the cup carafe button and rotate the dial to select the water volume as indicated in the water tank. Rotate the strength dial to select the pre-ground setting, but do not add any coffee to the coffee basket. Make sure the carafe is empty and the lid is securely locked. Then place the carafe into position under the drip stop outlet. Press the Start Cancel button to empty the water tank. Once the cycle is complete, you'll be prompted to discard the water from the carafe. Now for the descale. Pour white vinegar into the water tank until the LCD screen displays 4 cups. Then pour cold, preferably filtered water into the tank until the LCD shows 12 cups. Close the lid. You now have 4 cups of white vinegar and 8 cups of cold water in the tank. Ensure the carafe is empty and the lid is locked. Then place it into position under the drip stop outlet. Press and hold the strength button for 5 seconds to begin the descaling process. If for any reason you need to stop the descaling process, you'll have to force stop this by unplugging the cord from the power outlet. Once descaling is finished, the LCD screen will display Ready. Now you can discard the water from the carafe and rinse it thoroughly. Press Menu Exit to return to the main screen. We'll now rinse the machine by filling the water tank until the LCD displays 12 cups. Rotate the cup carafe dial to select 12 cups. Then rotate the strength dial to the pre-ground setting. Again, do not add coffee. Place the empty carafe with lid locked into position and press the Start Cancel button. Once the cycle is complete, discard the water and repeat this process again. After that, your machine is all set to brew that quality cup.